Hello, fellow podcasters. I'm Christine Blasdell, your podcast coach and consultant. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Corsair Virtuoso RGB wireless headphone set and see how it stacks up against your traditional microphones that you have for podcasting. Now, I know some people like to have headphones, some people don't. I don't care where you sit on this. The main thing is that I wanted to test these out for their wireless capability and to hear how the sound is. So that's why I'm recording this with just the crappy little microphone that's attached to my laptop, so you can listen to the sound difference and see what you think. So let's start with what you get. One of the things is, and I always keep these, is your Virtuoso RGB wireless headphones. It's a little manual to show you what all the stuff that you get. It's really important to keep this. Also, you're going to get with this a USB little attachment so that you can be wireless and not have a bunch of cords hanging around. But if you wanted to have cords hanging off, you can as well, because this bad boy, in addition to being wireless, you can also, where is it? Here it is. Oh, that's my charging cord. Here it is. Here it is. You can also put it into a 3.5 millimeter jack on your laptop or computer or phone and still get that great sound quality. But I'm going to be testing it out with the USB, going in wireless, and let's see how the sound is. Okay, so these are the magical headphones that you're going to get when you get the Corsair Virtuoso RGB wireless headphone set. You're going to get this, and they can be, of course, used as just regular headphones, but this bad boy is where it's all at, because this is the microphone that you're going to be attaching to it. So let's just put that in right like that. And we're going to set it up so we can get some sound and you can hear me. That's the whole idea of this thing. So you can hear me on these, on this. Oh, look at that. Oh, sexy. Okay, so before it's set up, you're going to see that it's got little flashing red there. I don't know if there's any other colors going on. Those are lit up a little bit, but it's because it's saying it's not connected. It doesn't know what you're talking about. You can't hear me properly anyway. So I'm going to put in my little USB stick. Get in there. And once it's in and it's reading this microphone, I'm going to pick it up. So now you are listening to the sound through these amazing headphones. This headphone microphone set, again, it's actually pretty affordable for the quality that it has. You can adjust the volume, and I suggest that you take a look at the headphones, and you can see here there is a little dial, so you can make it louder or softer. So this is what it sounds like. And actually, I was quite impressed for a headset and for a wireless microphone headset. I thought it was quite powerful and high quality. But if you're doing coaching or live webinars, or if you want to have that podcasty headphone feel when you're doing your podcast recordings, and then you want to learn more about the Corsair RGB wireless headphone set with microphone, I will have the link to get these and to get more information. I'll have that link in the show notes. So make sure you check that out. Click on that link and take a look at these and see if these are in your price range and if it's something that you want. Okay. Until next time, as I always say, thanks for tuning into the Micro Podcast on Podcasting, where we give you quick tips on how to become a rockstar podcaster in no time. Until next time, happy podcasting.